Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. These are the words said by George Bernard Shaw. Super morning to one and all present here. Today, we all have gathered here on the occasion of 51st World's Earth Day. And I, Atharva Agarwal, would like to start the assembly with the morning prayer by Gargi Sharma.
Father, we thank Thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for instant food and loving care, and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good. In all we do, in all we say, to grow more loving every day. Amen.
Plants are natural herbs that can cure severe various illness and can make a person completely fit and fine. These are known as medicinal plants. Now let us know about medicinal plants.
Super morning to all. I, Aradhya Gupta of class 3rd extend my wishes to you all on Earth Day. This is an aloe vera plant. It has medicinal leaves and its gel is good for skin and its juice is good for our gut. Let's grow plant all around and make the world green on Earth Day and always. Thank you. Happy Earth Day.
Morning everyone present here. Today I am Allenhouse Public of class 3C going to say a few lines about the benefits of Tulsi. Tulsi is known as the queen of herbs. Tulsi can cure fever, cold and many more diseases. Tulsi also purifies the environment. Tulsi plant is a good insect repellent. So Tulsi is a very useful plant. Thank you.
Today we live in a time when manufactured medicines and prescriptions prevail. But do they have to be the only approach to healing? Greetings. I am Aparshita Yadav of class 10th C, and today I will be speaking on medicinal plants. Also called medicinal herbs, they have been used in traditional medicine practices since prehistoric times. Plants synthesize hundreds of chemical compounds for functions including defense against insects, fungi and diseases. Aloe vera, for example, due to its soothing, cooling and moisturizing properties, it is often used to treat burns. The consumption of aloe vera improves digestive health, and the usage of the aloe directly on your face may also help clear acne. Even in today's time, when the world is facing the biggest health crisis of the century, scientific reports and researchers suggest that the use of some miraculous medicinal plants such as tulsi, neem, ashwagandha, curcumin, cinnamon, etc. can help us fight off COVID-19 and survive this pandemic. Thank you.
For 2.5 million years, the Earth's climate is fluctuated, cycling from ice ages to warmer periods. But in the last century, the planet's temperature has risen unusually fast, about 1.2 to 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists believe that it is human activity that is driving the temperature up a process known as global warming. These greenhouse gases trap the heat near the Earth through a naturally occurring process called the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect begins with the sun and the energy it radiates to the Earth. The Earth and the atmosphere absorb some of this energy while the rest is radiated back to the space. Naturally occurring gases in the atmosphere trap some of its energy and reflect back, warming the Earth. Scientists now believe that the greenhouse effect is being intensified by the extra greenhouse gases that humans have released. Thus, everyone has to take certain steps to minimize its impact so that we can live happier and healthy with tune in nature. Thank you.
Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India and gives the country a significance in the field of fauna. Let us know more about the Royal Bengal tiger.
Good morning. I am Dakshroti of class 14. Today I am going to enact like a tiger. Hello friends, I am a tiger. I am one of the most beautiful looking and fastest running carnivore. But friends, my 3 of 9 subspecies are now extinct and remaining 6 are now endangered. Only 3,500 tigers are left on this planet. Tigers are killed because of poaching, illegal hunting for their skin, bones and meat, loss of habitat, climate change and conflicts with humans. Please don't kill us. Save tigers. Thank you.
Dance is an art of expressing emotions in steps. Presenting before you a dance video by students based on the theme Earth Day.
आत्मन, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी सबसे नजदीकी साथी पृथ्वी। पुराणों, इतिहासों में मेरे सौंदर्य और समृद्धि की तुमने कितनी महिमा गाई है।
कैसी है ये रुत की जिसमें फूल बन के दिल खिले, खुल रहे हैं रंग सारे, खुल रही है खुशबुएं। कैसी है ये रुत की जिसमें फूल बन के दिल खिले, गुल रहे हैं रंग सारे, खुल रही हैं खुशबुएं। चांदनी झरने घटाएं, गीत बारिश तितलियां, हम पे हो गए हैं सब मेहरबान।
सूर्य जो मुझे प्रकाशित कर मेरी सुंदरता को और बढ़ाता है।
सूर्याय नमः।
किंतु कलयुगी लोगों की अति लोलुपता और जनसंख्या विस्फोट के कारण मैं तार तार हो दुखी रहती हूँ। तुमने मेरे श्रृंगार पेड़ पौधों को उजाड़ दिया है। तुमने कहीं खाइयां खोदी तो कहीं पहाड़ों को छेद डाला और मुझे खाली खोखला कर दिया। अब मैं बिल्कुल ही अपना संतुलन खो चुकी हूँ। तुमने विकारों के वशीभूत हो माँ के सुखदायी स्वरूप को तहस नहस कर डाला है।
रुक जा रे बंदे, अरे रुक जा रे बंदे, अरे थम जा रे बंदे, ये कुदरत हंस पड़ेगी। अरे रुक जा रे बंदे, अरे थम जा रे बंदे, ये कुदरत हंस पड़ेगी।
Help me, save Save me, save Earth by planting a tree. Give back my purity and greenery, humans. Plant a tree and save Earth.
On International Day of Mother Earth, let's express our deep gratitude to our planet for showering abundance of care and compassion. This Earth Day, let's pledge to make our planet a cleaner, greener and healthier one. A huge shout out to all the people working on the forefront to defeat the COVID-19 virus. Thank you.